Hey everyone, welcome back to Foxtecc, and this time we talk about how you can do or set up the kiosk mode on your iPad. What I mean by this is that you want to put probably the iPad on the display somewhere, play a promotional video, or have some sort of app open where people can order stuff or whatever else it might be. But we specifically want to lock it in that place, in that like service or video. And this can be set up if we go to the settings app in here, and from the accessibility features on the left, we're going to scroll down a little bit, and closer to the bottom we should find the guided access. So this is what I want you to click on and make sure that it is turned on. There are more settings in here. You don't really need to play with those right now, but let me just, have the guided access enabled. And then now I want to, for example, lock the iPad on my website, right? So I'm going to open up Safari, whatever might be in here, right? So let me just open up the apple.com, whatever, right? And if I want to make sure that this is the page which gets locked, all I have to do is locate the power button on the side of the iPad and actually triple click it. So you have to perform it like this, perform the triple click, and you get to this guided access mode. And in here, you can set up the settings for the session, and you can enable and decide what's going to be active inside of this mode. So if I want to make sure that the screen cannot be touched, I can disable the touch screen, right? And the screen is now going to react to the touch. Or I can also disable the volume buttons, the top button, and so on, right? So you can do more things. But let me, for example, keep the touch enabled and click on the start for the guided access. I'm going to set up a passcode real quick. And now we are basically in the guided access mode. So what it means is that we decided that it's going to react to the touch, but it's impossible to leave the app. We cannot go back to the home screen. We cannot use Siri to open up additional app, or we cannot really do anything else aside from browsing the internet in here. So as you can see, you can open up some different websites, but we are only allowed to stay within the Safari. So to get outside of that, you triple click the power button again, like this. You type in your guided access code, and you can click on the end button in the top left corner. And then now guided access has ended, and the iPad can be used normally. So that's how you can lock the iPad in one app, in one video or process, and even customize the features a little bit more. So I hope it helped. Let me know if that's what you are looking for. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you later.